Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Profit Boost in Hard Rock Bait on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Hard Rock Bait app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, pick the sort, sport or game you want to bet on. Tap the match or event to see the betting options available. From here, you can see the betting options. In your bet slip, look for the Profit Boost button. It usually says Profit Boost or shows as a small lightning icon. Tap it to activate the boost. After activating Profit Boost, check your potential payout. It should be higher than usual. Then type in the amount you want to be and review your selections carefully. When everything looks good, tap Place Bet Canvas will confirm your bet, and the Profit Boost will automatically apply to your winning if your bet wins. You can check your open bets anytime in the app. Once the game is over, your winnings, including the boosted amount, will show in your account. And that's all. You have just learned how to use Profit Boost in Hard Rock Bet app on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.